good morning. This is Kavita Kundra and welcome to MSc DFSM Biochemistry. We are here on enzyme and coenzyme, and this is part 3, the last section of enzyme and coenzyme. Role of enzyme and coenzyme in metabolism. Coenzyme plays important role in reactions and are classified as hydrogen transferring coenzyme and group transferring coenzyme. Hydrogen transferring coenzyme contains three coenzymes that help in oxidation reduction reactions. One is nicotinamide nucleotide, flavin nucleotide, and lipoic acid. Nicotinamide nucleotide are derived from vitamin niacin and they are of two types, NAD plus, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and NADP plus, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. They are collectively known as pyridine nucleotide and both are hydrogen acceptors. Dehydrogenation is the primary mechanism of biological oxidation in which two hydrogen are removed from the substrate in presence of acceptor. The hydrogen atom ionized to form 2H plus and 2 electrons, and the nicotinamide ring accept the proton and 2 electrons, which is equivalent to H minus. All reactions are reversible. Example, alcohol dehydrogenase and lactose dehydrogenase need NAD plus. Isocitrate dehydrogenase needs NADP plus. Flavin nucleotide, they are derived from vitamin B2. Two coenzymes under this category is FMN and FAD. FMN is formed due to addition of phosphate group. FAD is formed by the combination of FMN with one molecule of ATP, example glycolic acid oxidase. One amino oxidase requires FMN and G amino oxidase needs FAG. Lipoic acid, during the oxidative decarboxylation reaction, it helps in transfer of oxygen. It occurs both in reduced and oxidized form. In carbohydrate metabolism, catalyzed by pyruvate, dehydrogenase and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase needs lipoic acid. Group transferring enzyme consists of 6 coenzymes. One is biotin, thiamine diphosphate, pyridoxal phosphate, coenzyme A, tetrahydrofolic acid, cobamide coenzyme, adenosine triphosphate, that means ATP. Biotin help in transfer of carboxylate group, pyruvate carboxylase and acetyl coenzyme carboxylase. Pyruvate carboxylase contain 4 biotin molecules attached to the enzyme protein. The biotin dependent enzyme convert ATP to AD. Thiamine diphosphate, it transfer glycerol group and aldehyde group. The most important reaction carried out by this is oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid. It also helps in conversion of pyruvic acid to acetyl coenzyme and alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl coenzyme during carbohydrate metabolism. It also helps in conversion of xydulose 55 phosphate to zedoheptulose 7 phosphate of carbohydrate metabolism. Pyridoxal phosphate, it is derived from vitamin B6 and it is involved in amino acid metabolism. They help in reaction like transamination, decarboxylation, enzyme glutamate, oxaloacetate transaminase catalyze the reaction between glutamate and oxaloacetate and form alpha ketoglutarate and aspartate due to the transfer of one amino group to from glutamate to oxaloacetate. Here the pyridoxal phosphate acts as carrier of amino group. Coenzyme A, it is derived from pantothenic acid and it is divided into two components, adenosine 3,5-diphosphate and pentothene. In ATP dependent synthetase reaction, acetyl coenzyme derivatives are formed. They are highly reactive. Oxaloacetate converted to citrate in presence of citrate synthetase during CHO metabolism. Pyruvate converted to acetyl coenzyme by pyruvate dehydrogenase. CoA is also active in fatty acid oxidation. Tetrahydrofolate. It is derived from folic acid. It is responsible for transfer of one carbon fragment at oxidation level of formate. formaldehyde and methanol. Important reactions are biosynthesis of purine and methanol. Cobamide coenzyme, they are derived from vitamin B12. They participate in biochemical reaction in the reduction of ribonucleotide to deoxyribonucleotide by ribonucleotide reductase. ATP function as second substrate. It also serves as coenzyme. It consists of adenine connected to ribosyl 5-triphosphate as a co-substrate. ATP utilized by kinase for the transfer of terminal phosphate group to various acceptors. Glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate in presence of hexokinase by accepting phosphate from ATP. Isozyme, the enzyme in same organism having different molecular formula but catalyzing the same reaction. This is called isozymes. LDH lactate dehydrogenase. It consists in 5 different forms in vertebrae. 2 forms exist in heart and muscle. Heart LDH has 4 identical monomers, and H and muscle LDH have 4 identical monomers M. But they differ in amino acid composition. The possible combinations are H4, H3M, H2M2, HM3 and M4. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the session. And this was the last chapter, so it's over. We are coming up with next chapter again, the carbohydrate digestion. So till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay protected.